Hello guys and welcome to our channel Crazy Daddies. Today we're going to show you how to make 3 different kinds of slimes. We're going to be using different amounts of water, mixing different glues, different colors. And one slime is going to become alive. Check it out. Alright, so the first one is my favorite. It's a magnetic slime, okay? And to make one of those, we're going to need a clear water-based glue, like this one here, some clear water-based glitter, a silver one in this case. We're going to need to mix it all up real good and add the metal shavings. See, I drilled like a couple dozen of holes in a piece of metal, okay? And this is what I got. I got this metal chips, just like this here, you see. So we're going to put that in too. We'll also add some water and mix it all up. Of course, we're going to need to add some borax at this stage and mix it all up so that it'll come together, you know, in one piece. Once you're done mixing this and it's all together in one piece, it looks good. It looks like a regular, beautiful slime, right? I mean, look at this thing, it's beautiful. But once you put the magnet near this, it's alive, baby. It's alive. So use your imagination of what are you gonna do with it to entertain your friends and yourself. Now the next slime we're gonna make for girls, all right? It's gonna be pink. Of course, I'm gonna use this clear glue again and a glitter. You know, the pink and red. Mix it all together. And in this case, we're not gonna add any water. It's just gonna be glue, glitter, and a fair amount of borax, okay? Now don't worry about if you put too much of this borax. The slime is gonna suck up what it needs and leave the rest, okay? So mix it all up well, and this is what you get. You get this beautiful clear slime, a consistency of chewing gum. And the borax, as you can see, is left in the bowl. And you can use it again in some different slimes. Now look at this thing. I don't know what you're gonna do with this, girls, but it looks beautiful, okay? And this slime is for Halloween. We're gonna mix some green food dye with water and a little bit of the blue glitter. Now in a separate bowl, we're gonna mix a clear glue and a white glue together, okay? Then we're gonna combine these two together, and as you can see, I use a fair amount of this water, okay? So it's gonna be really look like a slime, you know. Then of course we're gonna add some borax and mix it well. Now while you're mixing this, it's gonna start looking like a real slime. I mean, this is it. I mean, this is what I wanted it. I mean, look at this thing. It's beautiful. It really looks like a slime I wanted it. It's like a green, sticky, alien kind of thing, right? I mean, look at this closely. Looks like a brain of an alien. Sticky, slimy, beautiful. Enjoy. And that's it, guys. If you have any comments, drop us a line. Likes are really appreciated. And of course, if you like our channel, subscribe. Bob and I are thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and be good.